Yay.
So you will take the first question today and solve with me. I'm just waiting for all of them to join, then we can start.
Okay.
Hello, Banan. You are the second. Adi is the first today. So now I will open the question so you can prepare yourself before the other join. Okay?
Okay.
Let me share the screen.
I'm sorry because
Hello. Now you can just try with you can try with you can try yourself on this question till the other girls join us.
okay, I'm gonna tell Rima.
Yeah, you can send the link for Lima. I already sent the link in the WhatsApp group. So, Ati, what's your opinion? A or B or C or D or E?
I think A.
Mm, Banan, what's your opinion?
I'm still trying to do it.
Okay, Ransi, what's your opinion?
I'm trying now.
So I give you time to try. And also, Ati, I think you have to try again because it's not A.
Oh, okay.
I will read the question for you. This
Hello,
number,
teacher. I joined early.
okay, hello, Donna. Now we are on this question. We have this number written on a sheet paper. Galal cut the sheet twice, so you can only cut 2 times. Uh, so he get three numbers. What is the smallest submission he can get by adding these three numbers? So at the first, I will think where I have to cut to give a small number. Then I will add the three parts, and after adding, what will be the smallest number can I get? After finishing, just say done. And then I can explain for you why I choose these lines to get the smallest number. Also, all this worksheets and extra examples and the exams before I will upload on the website for the academy. I will upload them today. So in the vacation, just wait. In the vacation, you can study and solve with yourselves because I will upload extra sheets. And all the sheets we take, I will upload also. Okay? Yeah, what you wanted to say?
What question is this?
Now, this question, we have this number. Galal cut 2 times, so he get 3 numbers. When he add the 3 numbers, what will be the smallest summation he can get? The smallest summation after cutting 2 times. If all of you finish, just say done and I will explain for you and say the true answer.
Done.
Done. Who else? Anyone still
Me
thinking?
too. I'm done.
Okay, super. So now, Ati, can you solve with me? What's your opinion?
I think A.
A? No. So let's solve together. Which part you cut? You try to cut between which 2 numbers?
I tried to cut between five.
Between what?
I tried to cut between 5,021 and one.
So between 5 and 0, between 0 and 2, between 2 and 1. So I will cut between which 2 numbers? Between what?
Between 50 and 29.
Again, please.
Teacher, it's I said D. Does it true?
No, false. Sorry, Ati, again, you cut between which 2 numbers?
50 and 2. 21, I mean.
50 and 2. So you cut here?
Yeah.
Okay, and the other number?
29.
29 here?
Yeah.
Wow, this is the smallest number. 21,000 is the smallest number. No.
Teacher, it's C.
No. So who wanted to try with me? Another trial? Because of course 21,000 is not a smallest number. We must get in 1,000 the smallest 1,000 we can get. So Ransi, you can try with me. You will cut between which 2 numbers?
Teacher, it's B. It's B.
The question, between which 2 numbers you cut?
Between um yeah, between the 9, I think. 7.
9 and 7. So you get 50,000. Wow, it's more than no. Lina, can you try with me?
Teacher, it's B.
Okay, I just ask between which 2 numbers I will cut. Between which 2 numbers I will cut, Lina?
Lena said her mic is broken.
Oh, sorry, I don't open the chat till now. Okay, Freda, between which two numbers you will cut? Freda, between which two numbers you think we will cut?
Teacher.
Hmm. Freda, between which two numbers you think we will cut? Okay, now I can tell you the true answer. Donna, what you think?
Yeah.
What you think between which two numbers we will cut?
We will cut between 1, 9.
1 and 9 here?
Yeah, and between.
Okay, but you will get 5,000.
I 1,000 time in the chat. It's the
Now, Donna, if you cut here so you can get, I don't ask A or B or C. Now I ask, how can I think about the question? If I cut between, you said 0 and 1, no, that means I will take 21,000, so it's not true. If I cut between 1 and 9, that means I get 5,000, and also it's more.
Yeah.
So I think no. So what's your opinion to cut between 2 and 1 so you can get 500 and it's gonna be small? And the other cutting, let me think. If I cut between 7 and 2, that's mean 2000. So 2000 is more. What's my, if I change and cut between 2 and 9, that's mean I will get 1000. So now this number is the smallest. When you add, if I cut between this, so I think after cutting, if I get in 1,000, the greatest place value, if I get a great number, that means I have a mistake. I will try to get the smallest number. So now I have 0 on the thousands, 1 on the thousands, 0 on the thousands. So now it's smallest. Now let's add 502, 1,972 plus 970. Now, Donna, can you add with me?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay, 2 and 2.
2
2
plus
plus
2
2.
2 plus 2 plus 0 equals 4. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 4 down.
Just wait. Wait. So here is 4 and 14, 4 down and 1 up now.
9 plus 9 equals 18.
Okay, but to add easier, you can say 1 and 9, 10, 10 and 5, 15. It will be easier for you. And 15 plus 9, so it's gonna be 24.
24.
Yes,
Then
4 down and 2 up. Now 2 and 1.
3. So it will be 300.
Yeah, so it's gonna be B. Now you know why I choose this places to cut to get the smallest number. If I try with any one of them, I will get number more than this. Okay?
Okay.
All of you understand? Lena, if you have
Yeah.
any questions, yeah. If you have any questions, you can tell me in the chat box. Chat box is open now.
teacher. I said before you tell us.
Yeah, but I
in the
don't open the chat box before, so I just open the chat box from the next question, okay? Now let's go to anyone has a question about this? So let's go to the next. Are you ready? Because all these questions, I give you the hardest. All of this with a 5 marks. But I know how smart you are, so I give you the hardest. Now, think about this. This question about guessing. The map shows the 3 bus stations at point A and B and C. A tower from station A to the zoo. From here to the zoo. and to the part and back to A, all of this triangle equals 10 kilometers. And here, a tower from the station B to the park and then to the zoo and back to B, it's gonna be 12. Tower C from the port, from C to the port to the park and go back to C, it's gonna be 13. Also a tower from the zoo to the port to the park and back again to the zoo, it's gonna be 15. So each triangle you have the diameter. Now, how long is the shortest tower from A to B to C? From A to B to C, all this. The shortest one will be
Teacher, this question is too hard.
you can guess. Guess the number.
I guess it and I write it in the chat, but I didn't think.
Yes,
I
but E is not the true answer, so I will cancel E. Cancel E. E
Okay.
is not the true. Try again.
Miss, I write E.
I cancel E. E is not the true. To get
Teacher.
50, yeah, to get 50, this means this is 10 and 10 and 10 and 10 and 10. And of course, this line, 10 and 10, of course not. Mm-mm. Only the tower, all the tower is 10.
Okay.
Try.
Miss, D is true. D is true. Does D is true? Teacher, I think D true.
Teacher, I think it's yeah, I think it's XB 20, but I don't think so. So it's right or wrong? Teacher, I can't hear you. Teacher, I can't hear you.
We can't hear you. Teacher, we can't hear you.
Oh, now you can hear me?
Yes, yes.
Oh, sorry, maybe it's a problem from the mic. Again, when I think from the triangle in the middle, I think all the lines will be the same. So I guess this is 5 and 5 and 5. Maybe I have a mistake and I will try again. From the triangle up, when I look, I found this line is taller than this line, right, Freda? Freda? Okay, Banan?
Yes.
Okay, what's your opinion about this line? When you look at the tour A, this line is taller than this line, right? So if
Yes.
all of this is a 10 and this is a 5, the left will be 5. So I think this is going to be 3 and 2. Till now, I think, I guess true. From the tour B, 5 from 10, and this is shortest than this line. So I think this it's going to be 5 and 2. You know the diameter for each triangle is the summation for all the sides, right? And if this is 13, also it's going to be 5 and 5 and 3. Now let's collect the numbers around. Banan, can you collect the numbers around?
Yes. 2 plus 3 is 5.
Now it's going to be how many when you get the summation for all of them?
Uh,
35.
Mm-mm. Numbers up. 2 and 3 is 5. Down, 2 and 3 is 5. 5 up and 5 down, it's going to be 10. 5 right and 5 left, 10. 10 and 10 is
20.
20. Excellent. You
Also,
understand?
Yes.
You said B, but you said B after you said the answer.
no.
No. Okay, now any question about this? Any questions? All of you
Teacher, I said
understand?
B
Lena, if you
before.
have any question, you can write in the chat box.
Teacher, I said B before.
Teacher, I said
Uh,
before you answer. Teacher, I said before you answer. Go and check.
okay, we'll give you the heart. Okay, I will give you the heart. Now you
and
understand?
me, teacher, I say before
Teacher,
you
in the
say
first
the
question, I
answer.
answered right.
Okay, now anyone has a question about this?
No.
Okay.
Teacher.
Mm.
Teacher, in the first question.
The first question, the question before this?
Yeah.
You don't understand?
No, I understand, but you didn't put a heart.
What's your name?
Joanna.
Do you want to know? I give you the heart.
No, in the first question, not this one.
Okay, I will check. I will check again. But you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, if you understand, let's go to the next question. And remember, all of this question with the 5 marks. I give you the hardest. Now,
Teacher, why you give us the hardest?
because you are the smartest. The diagram shows 3 hexagon. 3 hexagon with a number at their vertices, but some numbers are invisible. We don't have these numbers. The summation of the 6 numbers are 30. The summation of the numbers around each hexagon is 30. What is the number in on the vertex marked by the question mark? So all of this, when I add, must be 30, 30, 30. What will be this number? You have to
90.
try. Only this number from 1 to 9. These numbers must be from 1 to 9. And
So,
the chooses is down 3 or 4, 5, 6, 7.
So we can choose from 1 to 9.
Yeah, and to choose you have from 3 to 7. in this question mark, but the numbers around each hexagon is from 1 to 9. Also, you can repeat. Look, I have 4 and I have another 4, so I can repeat on the same hexagon. This question is about adding. Joanna, I counted the heart from the second question, not the first. So I give you the heart for the second question, and the third question, I don't found your answer.
Okay.
Because I go back, but the first question, I don't give anyone the heart, because I already explained the question. You can think. Lina and Lina, we have two Lina الفضة and Lina Dawood. So I'm waiting. Remember the total, the summation around each hexagon must be 30, and the numbers is from 1 to 9, and you can repeat. Think. It's easy.
No, teacher, it's not easy. It's so
No,
hard.
it's easy. You will only try. Try. Till now, I just found A and C. Maybe it's not true, but I will not say. Lina and Lina, Joanna, Banan. Rima. I don't found your answer till now, Rima.
Sorry, Miss, I had a problem with the chat. Now I fixed it.
Rima? Okay, but you can open the mic. If you cannot write in the chat, you can open the mic and say the answer, okay?
Okay. Now I fixed the chat.
Good job. Finished?
Teacher,
Finished?
yes. So
No,
when
no,
you
no,
will
no,
say
So
no.
where
the
is
answer-
Joanna? Where is Joanna? Where is Banan? Where is your answer?
Okay, wait, I'm
After
gonna type it.
explaining, I will not count any answer.
Teacher, wait.
I'm waiting. Rima, also, what is your answer? Joanna, Banan, finished? Okay. Please write your answer one time. Don't write A, B, 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 B. Only one time. Only one letter, please. Okay, now I will start. Who can think with me? Lina, you can join from any other account or change the browser, but please don't leave us. And you can write on the chat box for any questions. You can open the mic if your mic fixed. And now you finished? Okay, no one solved true. Rima, can you try with me? Rima?
Okay.
Okay, let's try. To make this hexagon 30, which numbers you think we will put? 2 and 1 is 3. 3 and 3 is 6. 6 and 6 is 12. So you need how many here to make the 12 at 30? Only two numbers.
Okay.
You need how many to make this number at 30?
I think 9.
9. So now, after putting
Yes,
9,
it's
it's going to
9.
be
I need to
21.
put 9 in the
Now,
bowl.
9, 21. No, we need 30. So the other circle will be?
Miss, look, if we use it somewhat, right? Is it adding or multiplication?
Summation means addition, total,
I know.
plus.
So
So
if we
when
add
we collect the numbers
9 times
around, must be
21,
30.
yes, Miss, if we add
Teacher,
21, it
B.
gives us 30.
So
Teacher,
now
it's B.
the other. Rancy, please write your answer only one time.
Miss, if we add 9 to 21, it becomes 30.
So I will write another 9 to make all of them 30.
Yeah.
Is it true?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, till now, we don't go to the question mark. Let's go to the other one. I
Here.
need to make it at
So
30. So now 4 and 6 equals 10. 10 and 9, 19. 19
19,
and 4,
24,
19 and 4, 23. So
24.
now, yeah, now I need two numbers to make this number at 30.
I know. So we put 5. Put 5.
And
And we put
now
2.
it's 28. Yeah, and 2. Now, to make the third hexagon at 30, it's gonna be how many? 1
Yeah,
and
you're gonna add
9, 10. Yeah,
1
1
and
and 9,
9
10. Yes,
is
1 and 9,
10.
10. Yeah, 10 and 5, 15. 15
15.
and 2, 17. 17 and 9, 26. So 26 plus how many give me 30?
4.
Now
Gonna be B.
this is hard or easy, but you don't think. It's easy. It's about adding.
Teacher, can you put to me heart, please? I
But
make it. Oh,
you write 21 B. Which B I will give you the heart? Because I tell you, please write only one time. Okay, now
or the
it's B. It's gonna be B. You understand? Any questions?
yeah.
Any questions? Any questions? Let's go to the next. This is easy. A triangular pyramid is built with 10 identical balls as shown. Each ball has one of the letters A, B, C, D, E on it. There are two balls marked with each letter. This picture shows three sides viewed of the uh, what is this? The picture shows three side viewed of the pyramid. What is the letter on the ball with the question mark? The important word here, there are two balls marked with each letter. Two balls marked with each letter. So what is the missing ball? I'm waiting.
What do you mean about this question? Didn't understand.
From these balls, we make a triangular pyramid. Um, this ball, you have 10. So each two balls have the same letter. So you must have 2A, 2B, 2C. This is the
Okay.
three sides for the triangular pyramid. So which letter is missing here?
So teacher,
Hmm?
each triangle needs
But
to
Miss,
have
wait.
two.
There's 3B. There's 3A.
Because this is the sides. This is a
Because
side
there's
from the
3A.
triangular. Okay, no. This is a side. This is the other side, and this is the third side. So all of this only is a pull up.
Oh.
Hmm.
So these are all three together.
Yes, this is the same triangular, but this is the sides for each one.
Like every side.
So
Okay.
up you found the ball A. This is the here. Look, from this side you have a three balls. The three balls is E and C and B. If you look from here, E, C, this is E, but from the other side, this is C from the other side, and this is B. And down. What is the third ball? Look down. How many balls do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I think six from the other side. So just I don't know. I don't know. Two balls marked with the same letter. Each two balls were marked with the same letter. If you stop, I will tell you. Okay, finished?
No.
Yes, but I'm not sure.
Okay. Only Lina would get the true answer. And now we stop. Please don't write A, Rancy. It's gonna be A. Why, teacher? Look here on this side. You have only one ball, A. On the side, you have E in the middle. Down, you have the same E. Up, you have C. And down, you have the same C. Up, you have B. Down, you have B. Down, you have two times from B. So which one is not repeated? Which one is not repeated? You found only A one time up. So only A is not repeated down. Again, each ball repeated two times with the same letter. So up you found the ball A. In the second one you found B, C, E. So now you take each letter as one time. Down you found D two times. One from this side and one from the other side. B is repeated up and down. C is repeated up and down. E is repeated up and down. So only A you found up. Where is A down? So the missing letter is A. Only Lina Dawood answered, and Ayati and Joanna. You understand or you have any questions? Any questions?
We understand.
No.
Lina, you wanted to ask? Rima, you wanted to ask? Rima, you understand why it's not B? Because you have B in the second uh, floor and B down.
Teacher,
B
can
on
you
the
please
middle
zoom
and B
out
down.
a
So
little bit?
already B is repeated two times.
Yes, I understand. It was kind of complicated.
It's about imagine.
Teacher, can you zoom out a little bit?
What?
Zoom out.
You want, please raise your voice.
Zoom out.
You wanted to zoom more? Okay, we'll try.
No, not more. Like, so I can see the
Like
answers
this?
correctly. No,
Yeah, like this?
the opposite way.
Okay, so A, B, C, D, E. So we choose A. You know why we choose A? You understand why we choose A?
Yeah, I understand, but teacher, can you zoom out, not zoom in, zoom out?
Oh. Okay, let's go to the next question. This question need to focus and try with yourself. You can try with yourself. Fahd had 4 white token and Said had 4 gray. So you have 4 white and 4 gray. They played a game in which they took turns to place on their tokens to create 2 piles. Fahd placed her here first token first. So at the first, Fahd. At the second, Said. Which one is not correct? Which one of this is not correct? There is one is not true between them. Remember, it's about the rules. So one white, one gray, one white,
Teacher,
one gray. You
I
cannot
can't see
make
the
2
bottom.
white on the same time. You cannot make gray on the same time.
Teacher, I can't see the bottom. The
The bottom is the same, white and gray. But I will try now. Now it's clear for you?
Yeah.
Okay. So which one is not correct? Remember? One and another one. You cannot put 2 1 on the same time, not gray on the same time. Maybe I can put 1 white, 1 gray, 1 white, 1 gray, but I cannot put 1 white, 1 gray, 1 white, 1 white. No. 1 white, 1 gray, 1 white, 1 gray, or 1 white, 1 gray, 1 white, 1 gray. Maybe vertical, maybe horizontal, but the important not to putting 2 times the same color. Till now, no one is correct. So from A, I found 1 white, 1 gray, 1 white, 1 gray, 1 white, 1 gray, 1 white, 1 gray. So this is correct. From B, 1 white, 1 gray, 1 white, 1 gray, 1 white, 1 gray, 1 white, 1 gray. So this is correct. I leave you the 3 choices. Okay, now the true answer is E. So stop copy on the stop writing on the chat box because I now say the true answer. I have two Lena. Lena D is correct. Lena E is correct.
Teacher,
Let me try putting. Teacher,
and
I choose E. I choose E, teacher.
teacher,
So I
the
will give you
final
the
one.
heart. Yeah, E is the correct, and I will tell you now why. Just I give you the hearts. Okay, now let's try C. 1 white, 1 gray, 1 white, 1 gray, 1 white, 1 gray, 1 white, 1 gray. So this is correct. D, 1 white, 1 gray, 1 white, 1 gray, 1 white, 1 gray, 1 white, 1 gray. This is correct. Now, 1 white, 1 gray, 1 white, 1 gray, 1 gray. Not 1 white, so we cannot create this. You understand now?
No.
Why?
Yes, I understand.
No.
Okay, let's try E again so I can tell you.
I
You
understand.
can put, okay, now we bought 1 white, 1 gray. So on this side, 1 white, 1 gray, 1 white, 1 gray. After that, where is the 1 white? Do you know where is the 1 white?
There is no white.
No, you must put 1 white, 1 gray, 1 white, 1 gray. And of course, I cannot jump for a gray I don't put. So now I cannot create E because on the side you cannot find where the white.
So
Now you
teacher,
understand?
yes, but so teacher, and question A and B, there's two gray opposite together.
No, it's not about opposite, it's about turn. Okay, I will show you now something. In A, let's see you on A. It's not about the opposite, it's about the turn. 1 white, 1 gray. Okay?
Yes.
1 white, 1 gray. Is it okay?
Yes.
1 white, 1 gray. 1 white, 1 gray. So it's about turn. But on here, 1 white, 1 gray. 1 white, 1 gray. Where I will put the white? So it's not
Okay.
about the opposite, it's about the turn.
Okay.
Any questions else?
No.
Okay, let's continue.
No.
The next question. This is
So
easy.
teacher, this is the answers for this is the questions and the answers for the kangaroo.
Yeah, only you will choose A, B, C, D, E. So you will click E, you will click B, you will click C like this. And remember, you have only 90 minutes for a 30 questions. Now, this question. Read the questions carefully and you can find the answer. My little brother has a 4-digit bike lock with the digits from 0 to 9 on each part of the lock as shown. He started on the correct combination and turned each part the same amount in the same direction. This is the important word, the same amount and the same direction. Now look, show the combination 6,348. Which of the following cannot be the correct combination? The same amount with the same direction. So to give you the hint, now you have a number.
Teacher, I didn't understand the question.
Okay, just a second because I cut a part for the question. This is the question. I will zoom more for you to read. Again. Okay. And I will neglect one choice for you so you can solve. Now you can see well? You can see well now? Okay, this is a key. We turn the key with the same amount and also with the same way. The same amount and the same direction. So if I round this number 2 sides, it's gonna be this number. If I round up, if I round down, I will get this number. Again, if you just move this number 2 pieces down, so you will get this number as 6. you must make all of them with the same way. So 2 numbers down will be 2. 2 numbers down will be 1. 2 numbers down will be 4. If I turn this number up with the same amount with the same direction. So now let me see A if it's true or false. Now the first one is 8, so you turn this number 2 up. So after this 2 up, it's going to be 5. After this 2 up, it's going to be 6. After this 2 up, so it's going to be 0 because after 9 is 0. So A is true. We don't need the true, we need the false one. Which one we cannot make. Now you can think, I give you the hint. Remember, with the same amount, with the same direction. So A is true, I cancel A. I explain one for you. Let me see B. I think B, 3 bars down. Look, B, this is a 3. So 3 down, 3 down, 3 down, 3 down. 6, 3 down is 3. 3 down will be 0. 3 down will be 1. 3 down will be 5. So also B is true. We need the false one. Now the chooses between 3 numbers. Okay. Time's up. Stop. Which one say the first true answer? Joanna, you say the first true answer. Banan, the second true answer. Lena, Lena A, Lena D. The 2 Lena are brilliant, excellent. Donna, the true answer. Alati, the last one who say the true answer. Why C is the we cannot make C? Look, C starts by 4. So from 6, if you get 4, that's mean you down 2. So from here, 4, 1, 2, 6. And this is not the same number. So you make it with the 2 directions. From this number you down, from this number you up, from this number you down, from this number you down. So now it's a different directions with a different amount. The other numbers with the same direction and the same amount. So only C we cannot create. Thanks for all of you. Any questions? Any question about this?
No, no, no.
Okay. Good job. Let's go to the next question. Okay, this is easy question. There were 20 apples and 20 pears in a box. Wael randomly took 20 pieces of a fruit, but this 20 we don't know this is apple or pear. And Basil took the rest. Which of the following statement is always true? Always true. Maybe Wael maybe Wael got at least 1. No, maybe he take all of the 20 is an apple. So it is not true. The other, I leave it to think with yourself. So remember, Wael take 20 randomly. Maybe the 20 mixed between apples and pear. Maybe the 20 is only apples, the 20 only pear. So which of the statement always true? Never change. And the rest, Basil talk. Think again, Banan. Think again. Because about C, Wael got as many apples as Basil. Maybe Wael take more apples. Who knows? He take 20 randomly. Maybe he take 20 apples and Basil take 5 apples. So it's different. so it's not C. Now I neglect two choices for you. Banan, I now change your answer, so I can change your answer. I neglect your answer. Sorry, I cancel your answer. Now, all of you finished? I will go to the next question.
I appreciate it's D.
Yeah, it's correct. It's D. So, Ben, Lati, you answered true. Joanna, true. Lina D, true. Donna, true. Rancy, true. Lina A, true. Remember, I will leave some exercises. Okay, I will upload these exams on the website for the academy. Also, I will upload some exercise for you, and I will be happy if all of you solve this exercise. Okay?
Teacher.
Don't forget to solve these exercises. You wanna ask?
Yes. So every in the chat, every heart. How
Is a
many
5.
hearts we have?
For today, each
Okay.
heart with a 5 marks.
Okay.
Now,
So
why
now
it's not B? Yeah, why it's not B? Well, got as many apples as pears? No, maybe well take 15 apples and 5 pears. We take 20 randomly. So B is a mistake. E, well, got as many pears as Basil? No, maybe he take 5 pears and Basil take 15 pears. The only true answer is well, got as many pears as Basil got apples. Because if he take 15 pears, that means he took 15 apples, and then it's gonna be the same number of the apples Basil took. You understand? If he took 5 pears, so it's gonna be 15 apples, and that means the apples for Basil will be 5 and the pears will be 15. So it's gonna be the same amount but changes between the apples. So you understand? Okay, if you want to question more, think about this. Just think, and I will upload on the Academy website. Okay, now let's collect how many points each one take. Elati 35. You can collect your hearts. Rancy 23. How can it's 23? Each heart with a 5. So it must be a multiplication for a 5.
I will count them again.
Yeah, I think you have to count them again. Lina D, Lina A, Banan, Joanna, Donna 35. So we have 2 till now. Get the gold medal. Who else? Lina D, Lina E. Count the hearts. Okay, so I will give Donna and Artie the gold medal today.
Sorry, it's 25.
Okay, Joanna 25, Francie 25. I need someone more than 35 to take the gold medal. Joanna and Rancy 25, Lati and Banan 35. So who take more?
Teacher, and me, I take 35.
35, Donna? Yes. Donna and Lati 35. Excellent. So I give you 2 gold medal. Thanks for your time today. Wish you a happy day, and don't forget to solve the question I will upload on the Academy. Maybe it will upload it today. Any questions? Wish you a happy weekend. Bye.
Miss you. Teacher, do we have tomorrow a time?